your important errand?
That's right. They're all extremely rare, and I waited in a very long line to get them, so be careful.
Don't worry, I will.
What are you doing? If you break that thing, I'll have to wait another year for it to go on sale again.
Quiet down, you two! I'm glad Rex is catching up on his sleep. Kids need to sleep a lot so they'll grow big and strong. In that case, I'll be huge.
So if Paris and Chomp keep on sleeping as much as they do now, can you imagine what's gonna happen to them?
Dinosaur King is what you wanna be, yeah. Make your move, come on and make your move. Dinosaur King is your destiny, yeah. Make your move, come on and make your move.
The past is in the present. Time's been twisted upside down. These fossils are colossal. Only one can wear the crown.
Dinosaur King is your destiny,